This is how to make a plot in the origin by using different angle in the axis caption. Here, this is the origin. As we can see here, this is the origin uh, main window here, as you can see here. So I already have some data here. I have the data for the distribution, for the prediction distribution in the machine learning of aluminum and magnesium dwarf material. So from here, I'm going to take this data. This is just a sample. I'm going to take the data here. This I have the data of. I can consider this sample as the x-axis, while the rest of the axis as the y-axis. So I'm going to consider only the x-axis of the sample and the y-axis of the two prediction table. So I copy this data and paste it at the origin plot. So as you can see this here, this is the x-axis as you show here. So I can take the two of y-axis. For example, I took here as the y-axis. So I'm taking only this, making this plot. I go to plot, take this. So this is the plot. Then let me make some modification of the width and the height. For example, I make the width to be 20 and the height maybe I can leave it in this form, or I can make it as 7. So it make it wider for us to make to see it very clear. So for here, the next thing is since what we are after, as you can see, is something is not clear, so we can delete this one. This A, which should be the caption uh, for the y-axis. Then we can double click here. So by the double click, it shows this form. Then we can come to this display. We have the format table. So we go to the format. Then from format, as you can see here, it shows the rotation. This rotation, it indicates how we can change the caption to different angle, as shows from 0 to 270 degree. By changing here to different angle, when you apply, as you can see, it changed to this form. So we can change it again by double click on it. Then we go to format and we can change it to 60 degree. Apply. Okay, it changed to 60 degree. Or if you like it, you can make it to be 90 degree by clicking here, by changing this from 60 to 90 degree at any angle of your preference. Apply. That's all. Then for all the rest of this, then if we like, we can fit this by going to the graph and go to the fit page to the layers. Then we can make it as the border width of 2, like this. So as you can see, it fit in the space. So for here, it indicates that it fit in the data is fit in this form. So from here, then if we like, we can still add some grids here, and if we like, we can make a lot of changes here. We can change the size of the we can make any change here. But the most important thing is to see how we can change this how we can change this caption of the x-axis. Then from here we can copy it. Maybe we can can go to the PowerPoint and it can be saved at the PowerPoint here. I take a blank PowerPoint. Here it is. Then here you have the complete plot.